Finger clean. Go on, share.
Anyway, cut it.
Put it back in it, Mum.
Yeah?
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, one more.
Then, man, you're weak.
Come on.
You just win. You doubling money. You win.
Oh, yeah.
Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win. Are we still a win? Them girl keep the black thing shining. We still a win. Are we still a win? Unruly thing. We still a win. Are we still a win? Them to know.
It's my baby. Looks so fat. Jesus.
Ow, girl.
Yes, boy. Yes, boy. Huh? Ow! Ouch! Just, you know, give me no cocky last night.
She's think for Scott, yeah.
So I'm upset. I didn't get none. Unruly behavior. Unruly. So today I'll be going to resize his ring and he won't be coming. Because he's got work. He might leave me for work.
Can't make no money if you don't work hard. Whoosh.
So now I'm going to see the pastor. Ring got clean.
I'm just too long pissing.
Yak. I'm joking, finger clean. It didn't taste of anything. Tastes like what? My pum pum clean. So it doesn't matter if it tastes like pussy. And give me a kiss.
So
what you got now? Pussy lip?
When I take one finger, then hey, well, my finger smell of pussy. I can't push that one out. Take care of me, girl.
I can't believe what you just said. I'm so cutting that out. I'm so cutting that out. That was just so raw. Your mouth raw. So guys, this is what happened. At my mother-in-law's place, Sharon did one beep, yeah, collecting my stuff and came to the top of the gate, which is right there, yeah. Time I come here, mummy them gone. Literally, it took like what, under a minute. So he just honked the horn and just drove off. You don't do them things, Mum. You don't do them things. You don't do them things in future. You don't. So now I'm just out here with Tussie waiting for them. I've got so much things to do. We're going to Sav. We're going to Negril. We're going to Sav. Negril. Where are we going? We're going to Sav. No, we're going to Negril first. Hopefully we can find the pastor. He's very busy. Then we have to go to Sav to do some shopping. Then we have to go to Kamingo, which is in Sav again. Then back to Monterey. Hopefully my man will be home by then. But yeah, today is the 4th of December. Been here for 4 days now and it's been wonderful. No. No. Bought him, let out him dog. No, don't let out your dog. Do not let out your dog. Does he come now? Does? Leave the dog. I'm tired. I'm so tired. Like, anyways, Msjulzb, I'll check back in with you guys in just a minute or so. So, it's finally been picked up from Mommy and Sharon. Mom, what is your explanation? Why are you so late?
Because we're going to show I do a
so why did you beep one? You beep one time. You beep one time.
No, but when they pass some blow, the door locked. And nobody
what you should have done. This time I'm going to at least come with me. She can go say to you, you just have your own way of them.
So, just finished checking how much it would be for a room to get dressed for the wedding day at Travellers. And you guys know that I'm always at Travellers when I come to Jamaica. Yeah, me and Babe. $148 something cents. Not for one night, for one day, for like 2 hours. No, thank you. No. But luckily enough, we have links in Jamaica. Well, we don't, but Sharon does. So Sharon's going to sort out something for I and I. Honestly, $148 for what, 2 hours? I want to see my $148, believe you me. And then if you calculate it in Jamaican currency, that's 18 grand. Where is that meant to come from?
Take away the big shirts, the tattoos, the sweatpants and Vans. Okay, I don't wear no makeup, no purse in my hands. My resting bitch face is mistaken for the mean girl.
Is it Sherry looking up? Eh? So we've just come to Dreamscape. Sharon's doing like a little project here to kill some time. Oh my gosh, my eyebrows look so dead. My eyebrow looks terrible, but I don't know, man. The lighting at my grandma's house is bare weird, so my makeup ain't gonna look good for the next couple of days, but who cares? You know what I mean? So yeah, let's give you a little tour.
I'm gonna get you washed off.
For what? But once this is fixed up, it's gonna look so nice. Wow. It's very nice. So this is that one room. So is this like gonna be a bathroom? Wow. That will be a bathroom. Okay, I like it. And it's very spacey. Yeah. So maybe by next year we can come and stay around here.
But then one year when you're going to them, you sit out on the stairs at the pool, and you see.
Sure.
Jesus Christ, when you go do them, I don't know.
Guys, this looks beautiful. Okay. So we can walk down there? Do a bit of bending. So what's this going to be then, like the kitchen area? Okay, wow. This looks beautiful. I can see the vision, you know? That's a deep pool. Okay. That's a very deep pool. Oh, what's a jacuzzi? And this is the ocean. The nice, beautiful ocean. Oh, Mommy, you can walk down there. You can walk down there. Wow. That's lovely. Okay. You can wet your feet. You can wet your feet. Wow. Once it's finished, it's gonna be beautiful. Okay. Yes. My stepfather got me coconut, guys. Feel jealous. My stepfather. Feel jealous. Mommy have one. And I have one. Hey. Hey.
Come no.
Mommy,
Go on, check it. Take your
thank you. Go on, share. Mm-hmm.
Anyway, cut the cut.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. Yeah.
I'm just sitting on the same way now. Come on, let me put them camera.
Jesus. So you use this as a spoon and you just like that now. That now gonna really work still in the box. Let's see if we can use this one.
Lord Jesus.
Mm-mm.
You make out the one spoon, you can't use it.
Mm-mm.
You have to just you know, if you just take off here and just wipe it off.
Alright, we're in business.
You find out how to use it?
Mm-hmm. Mm-mm.
Nice.
Put it back in it, Mum.
Yeah?
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, one more.
Then man, you're weak.
Come on. That kind of muscle.
Should I have done? Yeah, I think I'll stay right. What? Oh God. Let me try, come. My turn, my turn, my turn. What's goody now? What's goody?
Yes, what's goody? Go on, goody.
Right.
Yes, goody.
Yeah.
Open it, goody. Yes, 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 goody. Watch out for the jump on me. Put the jump on me. No, you feel embarrassed.
I'm here second. You have to go from the inside. I'm holding the camera.
Pull goody, pull goody, pull goody, pull goody. Yes, goody, yes, yes. Yes, goody, yes.
Finish it, finish it.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. No, watch out. Yes, 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 yes. No, sorry,
Look how mommy rode.
No, hey, not mommy.
People.
Look how fun on the car.
Look how mommy rode. Look how she rides. Nasty, nasty Sharon. Wash me. It's a road. It's a road. That was hard work, you know. Like, I actually feel myself sweating. Look at my nose. Yep. That's all the coconutness on my face. Hard work. Hard work. Sweat me, I sweat me, I sweat me, I sweat. Anyways, Msjulz. Shut back in. Now I'll be getting married in. And this is the oil. So I'll be, here comes the bride. Oh, dressed in white. Na, 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 na. I meant to still be up there. So we just visited the pastor and yeah, he still hasn't given us the price for the service, but from what he said, I don't think he'll be charging us too much money. Funny, we get married soon and we haven't paid the pastor, innit? It's actually funny. But yeah, so now we're off to Sab to go to Hotel Kamingo to sort out the decorations and also to go do a bit of errands, get my bathtub because I don't like the shower out here. I'd rather just catch my water and shower. So that's on the plans for today. Tussi's at work. Tussi gets off like at 4, so I won't be seeing him for a couple more hours. Yeah, just a few more wedding errands. My eyebrows look too off. Oh my gosh, one is up and one is down. This is terrible. This is what happens when you don't have proper lighting. And then Msjulz, I'll be back in a few.
Okay, what? You can't touch the next end them. How do I end, man? Cousin.
Hey, cousin.
So, mate, man, I really have video with my mother.
I don't know.
I really have video with this mother, because.
I don't know.
God, no.
You know how famous you is, Apolline?
Who?
Yo.
How come? I'm going to look for. How come, cuz?
You're famous bad man.
How come?
Come if you and put it on Snapchat when you do the.
You
Everybody say, oh that, oh that, oh him. Oh him. Famous actor. You're famous.
Edward, do my.
My uncle give me money. Look here, my uncle give me $100.
Yeah, we know that.
My uncle win and give me money. See there, $100. You give him nephew-in-law $100. Let me see your money, baby. Come. $100 on this stuff. Him give Potter money. My uncle and us free tonight. So what? I'm phone now, focus, Papa Jesus. If you ever say hello to England, boy. After they say hello, people, my cousin are losing it. I tell him to take him money and then don't want to listen. Toto, take your money. He start with $191 and look there, $143 and have left. And I'm gonna break your pocket. Go on. Who? I know me, cousin. Never show no. Look there, people. Look there. What a daughter, my girl. All this man, you're so bad. Could they, people? Could they? 135, 130, 124, 134. Oh God, 130.
A fucking one.
Where?
A fucking one.
Where?
A fucking $110 back there.
Okay.
Fucking one.
Alright.
Take a high.
Alright. So how much you lose? You lose?
Lose the buck.
Look there. $102. Oh God. You might as well give up now. You're done for. So see, look. Okay, all you play.
Wait. Let me catch you. Alright.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah.
Plate. Wait.
Not touch nothing.
Not a low.
Yeah.
This a high.
Right.
If you want to go low, you go low. If you want to go high, you go high. Go where you want to go. Leave it to me now.
No.
You still want to lick again?
No. Oh, what me do
You
now?
just win. You doubling money. You win.
Oh yeah. So me I don't have dinner now. Don't know what time it is. That's dumpling yam or dumpling banana. No, dumpling banana breadfruits yam. I think that's kidney. No, this is cabbage cooked down with cooked down with saltfish. I'm going to devour this now because I'm hungry. Try to spot out my face because, you know, wedding soon come and them things there. I'm better got me some pear. The pear is so sweet. See it there? Big and everything creamy.
Wait, leave me alone, my glass. Oh, someone a go like them, no one give homage to the death advance. Look how much of them and you me help. Look how much of them borrow my style and they even say buy me a flash. Me no really worry about the chats. Me no worry about some little man who a try this way soon last. What you see and what you get not a facade. Always create moments we never live in at the past. From a little me a say anytime me